Welcome to English Academy channel. My name is Alex Matt. And I'm here to talk to you about life in Portugal. Here we go.
So Anna, you're from Portugal. Can you tell me a little bit about your country?
Yeah, sure. Portugal is a really small country actually. It's right by Spain in Europe, and we have really nice weather there. It's really sunny most of the year and really hot in summer. It can get really cold and really rainy in winter. But yeah, overall it's a really nice country to live in.
And I've heard you have nice beaches in Portugal.
Yes, we do. I used to go to the beach every day with my family in the summer. It was really great. But the beaches can get really crowded, lots of people, so you might want to be a bit careful when you choose where to go.
All right, I see. And where do you live in Portugal?
I live in a small village, actually. You probably don't know it. It's called Palmela, but it's south of Lisbon and it's by the coast, so it's really nice. We get a nice view of the mountains and of the rivers, so I really enjoy living there. It's really quiet, not a lot of people, a lot of wine farms actually, and really nice food. You should come and visit sometime.
I like wine. And so you have good wine in Portugal. What sort of food do you eat in Portugal?
Let's see. We get a lot of fish because we're by the sea, and so codfish is a traditional, and sardines.
Ooh,
and
I like
mackerel.
sardines.
Yeah, it's really good. And we also have really good desserts. So, for example, coffee cake, yogurt cake. We've got Pastel de nata, which is kind of an egg tart thing. So I really recommend you try that without coffee when you go there.
All right. And you speak Portuguese as your first language?
Yes, I do. I speak Portuguese. It's not the same as Brazilian Portuguese, but it's really close and we can understand each other. So that's really great.
And can you understand Spanish as well?
Yeah, I can understand a little bit of Spanish, but there are some differences between Portuguese and Spanish. So
How do you say hello in Portuguese?
oh, you can say hola.
Hola.
Yeah, it's fun. You should learn some Portuguese.
Oh, I'd love to.
Codfish. Codfish. Codfish is a traditional dish in Portugal. Codfish is a type of fish that has a nice white texture. Notice the following. 1. They serve great codfish there. 2. I love to eat codfish with white wine. Sardines. Sardines. We ate sardines for lunch. A sardine is a small fish which is often canned. Notice the following. 1. I like to eat sardines on crackers. 2. He bought a can of sardines. Mackerel. Mackerel. We had mackerel for dinner. Mackerel is a kind of fish. Notice the following. 1. I don't like fish, but I like to eat mackerel. 2. You can buy mackerel at the market. Tart. Tart. Pastel de nata is a kind of egg tart thing. A tart is a small pastry made in a short cup. Notice the following. 1. Making tarts is not easy. 2. I love to eat lemon tarts. Recommend. Recommend. I highly recommend you try that. When you recommend something, you suggest someone to try it. Notice the following. 1. I am new here. What do you recommend? 2. The waitress recommends we try the coffee.